Ciao from our home in Sicily. Look at the festivities already starting. We're gonna take you to Taormina to see the most glorious lights, then to downtown Catania for the Christmas market, and then to some other paesi etnea, little etna villages to see what's going on for Christmas.
You're gonna meet the coolest guy later on, but I'm not gonna tell you about it. See for yourself.
Let's go to downtown Catania. Look how festive, buona festa. That is absolutely beautiful. Albero de Natale, look at this nativity scene, all made out of ceramics. Da dove vieni? Catania, you guys know that is one of the most important Sicilian ceramic cities. Grazie. Artigianato, handmade, Sicilian style. This is what I like to see. And Merry Christmas. Perfect. And of course, everywhere you go, they're playing American music. Cute pillows. Wait till I show you guys what our Christmas tree looks like. And maybe I'll buy something to augment that. Oh, these are gorgeous too. You guys know I love a ceramic trinacria, and here's the ornaments. Ornaments made out of glass. Oh, look at these beer bottles. We've been coming here for years, but it never ceases to amaze me how beautiful the city is, all lit up. This year the market is really spread all over the city. You take some side streets off of Via Etnea, and boom. More handmade and artisan products.
Di origine, la tecnica è giapponese.
This is very interesting, Japanese style.
Yes.
Ristessa d'amore. Very unique looking. Grazie.
You're welcome.
Questa albero de olive? No.
De pino.
De pino, pine.
Sì, proprio
pine
originale, nel nostro giardino.
Most of the things here are handmade. You have everything from clothes to jewelry, pictures. You know, it always amazes me at these markets here in Sicily that here we are on a Monday, and Monday around 6 o'clock, so it's not really packed, but full of families, of couples walking around, and just Sicilians enjoying this beautiful, very festive scene. Trust me, it's contagious being here. There's something about the Christmas lights, just the lights in general in this period that is amazing. And here's the scene in Prespetino, one of the cafes here in Catania we like to go to. And some of you may recognize this because we stop here on our tours as well. Now that's a ginormous gift basket with all typical Sicilian goodies. Torone, very particular and special for this period. Here's the famous Fiascanado. Everyone carries Fiascanado. Why? They're simply the best. Let's see, what should I have for dinner? Swordfish.
Do you want to have some?
Figola?
Orata.
Orata, that's my favorite fish. Sea bream. Guarda che buono. And this is how you clean a fish. Watch and admire. Concetto the expert. Take the skin off first, then very slowly take the delicious white meat. And there you go. That's what you call a mixed fish grill. And you take it off just like that, making every bone shake off. Fruta de mare with red sauce. Now that is some good looking plate.
Jeez.
Buon appetito.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Here's a preview of what Taormina looks like. You know, Christmas, New Year's, it's time for the bubblies and also some vino. And if you're looking for some Sicilian and Italian wines, www.winesfromitaly.com. If you purchase $200 or more, there's free shipping. So that's winesfromitaly.com. Make sure you put in the promo code You, Me, and Sicily. Typical scene here in Sicily. Juice. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this soap section over here. Ashes of Etna, right there. Avocado and lemongrass. Arancia and canela, which is cinnamon. All different smells and flavors. Cool, huh?
For that.
Oh, these are beautiful. I love this rock. Buonasera. Wow. Okay, I'm cut off from jewelry for the rest of the year, but Alfred, if you're watching, more typical Sicilian products. Hello. Buonasera. Anything you can imagine for your kitchen. Pâté, crema. Crema di pistacchio. Very unusual. Look at that trinacria. And vases with Sicilian motif.
Look at that.
Can't be complete without scacciata and arancini, ciao, and little pizzas, and of course vino. Scacciata, arancini. Sicilians love their sweets. This is a festival favorite. Pistachio with sugar caramelized. Oh, yum. Very, very crunchy. Salve. This is beautiful. Buona festa, auguri. And here's the scene in Taormina.
Obviously, you know what America's like.
Wow.
And look, he's giving. This is so unbelievable.
This is the scene on a Saturday. I have a jacket on, but it's really comfortable. It's raining a little bit earlier. Look at all the decorations. There's going to be music later. I can't wait to show you what it's like on New Year's Eve, so stay tuned. Many more Christmas scenes from Sicily.
You have to shop the Yumi in Sicily store today. We have the regular stuff like t-shirts, aprons, hats, but we also have Christmas stockings and a whole bunch more, ready for shipment. Nothing will be late for Christmas, promise. So today is the day to shop.
And this is the scene in Acireale. What a beautiful nativity scene they have here. Every year they do something different. I don't think I've seen it like this in prior years. It's probably so beautiful when it's lit up. Music in English everywhere. What a great job Acireale has done. Look at this. Red carpet everywhere, poinsettias. Beautiful. I want to tell you guys about this very special book, The Adventures of Cecchi, which is chickpea, the Sicilian chickpea, beautifully illustrated children's book. Great gift for Christmas. It's in our Amazon store. And if you go to Yumi and Sicily Amazon, you can find it and look at the beautiful illustrations. And basically, Cecchi goes all over Sicily. It's a great way to learn more about some spots to visit in Sicily with this chickpea. And this is what it looks like in Aci Trezza. Every year they have a different type of a theme. Alright, here I am at Raitana where we always get our coffee. And we got Fabiano. And look at that, though, he put his glasses on. He didn't have his glasses on before. And he's going to put together a box for this guy over here. Tu come ti chiami?
Filipo. Filipo.
Filipo. And he's going to put all of these things. Sei pronto? Okay.
Allora, 8 box grandi.
Box, no.
8 cose.
Io non so.
Questi qua.
So now he's picking which box he's going to put all the stuff in, and Fabiano does it per person.
Ti chiamo una rana.
Eh?
8 su 150?
No. Ne ho Ferrari. Ascolta, se no io a questo Ferrari ci metto champagne, diventa 170, che differenza fanno le bottiglie?
160 o quanto approssimatamente?
170. Ma la
100.
differenza la fa le bottiglie che mettiamo. Se mettiamo uno spumante di 20 euro o se mettiamo già uno champagne di 40 euro prezzo base, la
So it
differenza
depends if he puts like a
la fa
bubbly or
la
champagne.
tipologia delle bottiglie che mettiamo.
So that
Se mettiamo un limoncello da 7 euro o se mettiamo, che ne so, un amaro di 15 euro, già cambia il prezzo, capito?
that's how the price changes.
il box.
And he has all these types of things. Look at this. Dates and tarone. Cos'è
Yes,
tarone?
yes, quello è torrone arancia, torrone bianco, torrone chocolate, torrone limone,
All types of flavors.
dipende le
nuggets.
esigenze dei clienti.
Depends on what the client picks. Cesta natalizia.
Yes.
Vabbè, ma come fai?
There.
8?
Aspetta, di questa.
All types of liquors and things to put in it.
15 euro giustamente.
And this is what it looks like when it's ready.
Sta mettendo il prezzo sul mercato. Alla vendita costa 25 euro, io giustamente perché non ne posso fare.
So they're having a discussion
Perché sennò-
exactly
Questa
what to
quanto
put in
costa?
it.
Aspetta, mannaio 2, 4, 6, 7 bottiglie. 90 euro.
Chi sta 90 costa?
They're
Facciamo
speaking Sicilian, by
da-
the way.
250 che fare? Che
Aspetta.
fare le pole, c'è mettere un gemmarì. Che
Chi
fa?
sta dopo?
Ma se quello... Allora, ascolta, ti posso
I'm just
consigliare...
enjoying listening to
Ti
him.
posso consigliare io?
Fanne 8.
Allora, tu mi devi dire una cosa. Tu la buttare a puttini o a qualche cristiano che ti interessa.
Ma scusa, tu stai
C'è mettere un gemmarì.
This is hilarious. They're
Solo
having a
io che
discussion,
Paolo 700
long
euro.
discussion on what to put in a basket. Ooh, look at that
No, ma la gente ma un bottino.
Ma io me la sto.
You don't see stuff like this everywhere. All types of cognacs and rums. Okay, here's what we have decided on. We've got the vino. Ooh, Ferrari Brut. Champagne.
Yes.
We got the pistacchio, torone
Corona della mucca.
per Capodanno. And then we have the figs, the Amaro Siciliano,
limoncello siciliano.
limoncello. Mark, actually, we get at the supermarket too. And then there's the Ferrara. E basta? Basta, quanto costa questo?
Lo sto facendo, ora te lo dico, sto scrivendo.
Queste ci sono tradizionali, ora è Natale.
They're saying
Allora,
that
le feste
everything...
di ora Natale inizia con la prima, con il Natale. Sono cestini, regali. Poi c'è
Baskets.
Capodanno, fine dell'anno.
No, non avevo i morti.
Fermo. Capodanno, da oggi.
Da 8 dicembre.
Da 8 dicembre iniziano le
So
feste.
the festivals here in
Esatto.
Sicily start December 8th, Immaculato.
Esatto. Dopo l'Immacolata, la prossima festa è Natale, molto sentita. Regali, si
That's the
scambiano
next-
regali,
That's the
ceste.
next holiday is Christmas Eve, e poi Natale, Christmas Day,
Poi-
and there's always lots
Poi
of
c'è,
gifts being.
c'è Capodanno,
And
che è
there's
una,
New Year.
Capodanno racchiude l'anno, bisogna essere più buoni, riflettere, perdonare, rimpiazzare, molti ha un senso il Capodanno e ripartire con un anno nuovo di più amore e pace.
Are you listening to
Perciò
this guy?
si
He's
incontrano
saying
magari
we have
qualcuno,
to
si fanno gli auguri, si scambia una bottiglia. Poi c'è l'ultima che è l'Epifania, che è il 6 di gennaio, dove i bambini aspettano la calza, che stanno là, un attimo, la prendiamo.
Oh my gosh, he is such a character. Here's the Befana.
C'è la calza, questa è la Befana che i bambini aspettano.
Kids wait for the Befana to come.
E dopodiché si ritorna di nuovo a un anno nuovo a fare sempre di meglio.
And then we start a new year
Ciao!
to start it better. Only here at Reitana in Aci Trezza.
120 euro.
100?
So he's saying it's
120
120 euro for all of that, and he's saying no, 100,
Aspetta, ma scusa,
120,
sto no.
100,
Bene,
120,
125, scusa, io
125.
No,
Oh, I forgot you had
no,
that.
Oh, non catto io! Oh,
They're
tu
speaking
sei
Sicilian.
100,
Vedi che
He's trying so hard. Certo, certo.
You know, the Christmas season is upon us, and it's a season of gaiety and frivolity, etc. In my view, I would like for you to think about becoming a member of our community for $1.99 a month. Really, the price of a cup of coffee, Americano. And you can really help us further our work. $1.99 a month, become a member, and you get all sorts of benefits. Namely, you get to see me more often, and you get to see Esther more often. So why not? There's a button down below. Just press join our community. We'd love to have you. Thank you.
Boy, I'll tell you, Alfred, between this market here in Catania and the one in Taormina, the whole Sicily is just so festooned. I just love this time of the year.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. This is the safest market I've ever been to in Catania. The police are all over the place, and 2 seconds ago, a helicopter was flying right over our head, just scoping things out. So it's a great place to come. It really is. It's really the jewel of the Christmas season, the Christmas market here in Catania.
And also the one in Caltagirone, because there's the Nativity scenes over there, but boy, Taormina was just magical. Let me tell you, if you're thinking about coming to Sicily and are wondering when, put Christmas, New Year's Eve on your list, because it's definitely worth it.
Well, it might be too late for you to come now for Christmas, but why don't you come for the Carnivale in February? Nobody's here, prices are low, fares
Very
are cheap.
festive.
We'll have a good time if you come.
That's right. Thank you so much for watching this one. Well, that was a bonus. Where'd that come from? I know why he did that.
Why?
I know exactly why.
I'm gonna get lucky tonight.
We'll see you on another video. Wait, come over here. Get back in here. What does she
Wow, that
do
was
this to me?
She's gonna kill me for that.
Grazie for watching this video. We'll see you in another video. Oh, by the way, don't forget to join our community. You hit the video and you hit the join and you become a member of our community.
Bingo.
For $1.99 a month.
Yep.
Grazie mille. Arrivederci. See you in another video.